Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35. I'm going to put a link for this box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to put the coupon code in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and check this out. The theme is called Over the Rainbow, and as soon as I read this, I wanted to sing the song. I started singing Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Anyways, it looks like there's some really pretty strands in here. I'm loving this one, which looks like a 6mm, and this one, which I'm thinking might be 8, but I don't know for sure. But in case you're new to this box, here is the name of all of the things in the box. Over here is the codes. You can reorder these strands on dollarbead.com, and you put the model numbers in order to do that. So let's go ahead and check this out. Oh, those are cool. Oh my gosh. This is really vibrant. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's a flamingo in there. Right here. It kind of looks like a leaf at first. Alright, can't wait to look at that. I'm going to dump this out. Alright, let's organize. It's usually the biggest beads are at the top. There's going to be 4 10mm strands. Holy moly, this one's adorable. I love that one. Okay. Oh, I didn't even notice that one on the box. That's 8. 10. 10. This one's cute too. This is 10. This is 10. That's 8. This is 6. I love this one. I am definitely a girly girl. Pink, purple, blue, like turquoisey blue. This is 8. I did not even realize this was in there. I saw it, but I kind of thought it was memory wire. I don't know why. Did not click with me, but that is so cool. I've never had one of these. They've been around for a while now. They were really popular at one point. Alright. There's the bag of findings. So the first thing is 10mm sky blue glass bead pearl. That's this one. Sky blue. No, it's not. Maybe night sky. It actually looks like a gray blue. Like it's so gray that it looks more gray than blue. It's a blue-gray color. To me it is. But I have been told I'm like colorblind, because when I was a kid I had this bicycle. Everybody said it was purple, but to me it was totally blue. There was this house that we would ride by all the time. The house was blue. Everybody said it was purple. And I'm like, no, you were crazy. Alright, this is a unique color though. I don't have this. Like I have grays and definitely blues, but this one here is in between for me. What do you see? Do you see blue? Do you see gray? And then 10mm bubblegum crackle glass bead. This one. So I've got this crackle bead a lot, but I always seem to get it in 6mm. I don't know why. This might be the first time I've got it in a bigger size. I think I like it more in this size. It seems like it's prettier to me. Okay, and then I want to go to the purple one. What is this? Oh, it's not there. Okay, is this one? 10mm pink lilac marble style glass bead. This is very pretty. I didn't really notice this in the picture. Look. It looks very washed out in the picture, so I didn't really notice that one. But I instantly, you know, caught on to those two. I really like those. It's very gorgeous. You know what I noticed? When I started getting into doing YouTube and jewelry making, and I had to go into photography as well so I can show pictures of my stuff, these white backgrounds, I know they do like shadow boxes and stuff to take pictures of things, but I've never liked white backgrounds for taking pictures. It always made the things look dark. I don't have a shadow box, but I've always liked taking pictures outside in a natural background. So I've used to use banana leaves all the time. Wood backgrounds are my absolute favorite. But for some reason I feel like the white background washes out the stuff in the picture and it doesn't show the beauty. But I guess that's just my opinion. What do you think? You ever experienced that, taking pictures on white backgrounds? So that there is very gorgeous. Okay, and this one, I'm very interested in this one. It is called 10mm Purple Blossom Spray Glass Bead, 6-inch string. This is very cute. It's very cute. It looks like little clouds on the bead. I like that a lot. All of these would be really cute as stretch bracelets. Alright, we are moving on to 8mm blue pink marble style glass bead, 16-inch string. This one, love this one. This one's definitely one of my faves. 16 inches. That is awesome. That is so cute. Isn't that adorable? I really like that strand. Okay, and then 8mm rose pink glass pearl bead, 16-inch string. So it seems like all the 6mm, 8mm strands are all 16-inch strings, and the 10mm and bigger is 6 to 8-inch strings. Okay, this color is gorgeous. I don't think I have this shade in my stash. I have fuchsia pearls, which is absolutely stunning, and like a rosy pink, but this is more rosaline in color. It says rose pink, but it's like a rosaline, like check glass beads. There's a rosaline color. It's like a peachy pink. That's how I describe it. Peachy pink. It's very pretty. I don't really feel like it goes with this though. I don't think I would use this with these, with this mix. Next thing is, 6mm soft teal glass pearl bead, 16-inch string. So they're calling this teal glass. Now, see, I would call this sky blue. The first pearl strand up here, sky blue. Soft teal glass pearl bead, 16-inch string. So I say that as like the night sky. Anyways, this is pretty. I do think I have this shade of pearl, or this color of pearl mustache, but this one I swear is lighter. This one's like a gray blue. Mine are like a very bright, vibrant, almost like the color of this lighter pearls. This one here is more soft and light. It's very pretty. And these two together are killer. I love those together. Okay, what's next? Is it gonna be this one? 6mm fuchsia lilac marble style glass bead, 16-inch string. This one's so cute. Okay, how big are these holes? You know, I've experienced with these beads that are painted, the holes all seem to be different sizes. Some holes are big, some holes are smaller, and like seriously, like one will be a 1mm hole and another will be a 2mm hole. So look at how teeny tiny this hole is on this end bead, and then look at this bead here. Now I did a project with this box because the beads are so gorgeous just by themselves. You don't, have to really use other beads with it. So you know what you can do? I did use 0.8mm Chinese nylon knotting cord. With beads that have smaller holes, you would just use a 0.5 cord. So that's how you would work with smaller beads. Okay, so those are the strands. Next thing is approximate 1 ounce rainbow designer glass bead mix. Alrighty, I'm going to gather these together, and we're going to go through here. Was it last time? I think it was the last box we got. There were these little rondelles here, and I couldn't really figure out if they were glass or plastic because they're so lightweight. But a lot of the time the plastic beads will have a seam on them, but I don't think they're plastic. They gotta be glass. Anyways, I like them because they have like big holes, as you can see. So I can use them on cord. And it looks like we have 3 different shapes. There's this rice shape or oval shape. There's the rondelle, right? And then there's this round one that I can see. And I need a scooper. This is a pretty mix. Makes me think of a party. This would be great to do on the memory wire bracelets. Okay. And then next thing is 2mm gold metal link chain. 40 inches. This is heavy. This is a curb chain. I do not have this in my stash. And it really is 40 inches. It's pretty darn long. Yeah. Anyways, there's a lot you could do with a chain like this. The next thing is gold metal adjustable bracelet. This. So it's adjustable because this here, when you stretch it, moves open to go on your wrist. And a lot of people put charms in here and beads, and they just slide back and forth. I don't know how you would put beads on it though. I think there was a jig, I think, to make this, a wire jig. It was purple. I think white made it. Anyways, that there you would be making this bangle from scratch, and that's how you would put beads on. You'd have to make this from scratch. And it's a pretty thick gauge wire. Maybe 16 gauge, maybe 14 gauge. So that's pretty cool. And then it's going to be the charms. I'm going to go through these. Random gold metal charms. 8 charms. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love the pink flower. There's a fish. That's cute. My cat, she had this, the collar is black leather with a, like, crystal bow. All blinged out, and I think she had a fish charm like this on her collar. Those are adorable. I love these the most, but I also really like the flamingo. Yeah, the fish are cool too. Those are adorable. And they would look really cute on this. Oh yeah. You know, I wonder if I could make a beaded thing, like almost a beaded bead to put on here. I'd have to bead onto this. I've done weird stuff like that a lot already. Next thing is 54 by 36 millimeter gold metal polygon pendant. 2 pendants. Oh my gosh. You know I can't leave this blank, right? Like, we have to do something with this. I think what I would do is I would put beads on the inside here. Probably would wire. First I thought thread, but this is too wide to do thread. That would just look terrible. Unless I did like a fancy thread, like S-long cord. But I couldn't pass back the beads twice. So what you can do is wire, and you would wire wrap, you would string a whole bunch of random beads on. I like working from the spool because I always feel like there's no telling how much wire I'm going to need. But with this one, you could cut sections of wire, wrap the wire on, put your beads on, because you do have to figure out like how many beads is going to fit through here. But you don't have to do like 3 beads wide, you can just do a couple and have the beads move. That would also be cool. And if you just randomly wire wrapped the beads around this, you can also just wire wrap beads on the very edge. But it would be cool to fill the inside here with beads and that kind of moved around. That would be neat. So I think those are cool. Man, if this was bent in a little bit more, it would look like a heart. Alrighty? So that was everything on the list. The beads are really cute. I love the marble ones the most. Here is the bindings kit. This comes with every box. It comes with memory wire, bead stringing wire, head pins, crimp beads, jump rings, elastic cord, lobster claw clasp, and earring findings. So it comes with everything you need except for tools. Alright, so here's everything we are getting in this month's Curated Bead box. I hope you guys enjoyed the box opening. Remember, I'm going to link this box down there below in the description bar along with the coupon code. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.